So in this video, you'll learn how to set up the secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So the first step when it comes to setting up or creating your secure folder is to simply open the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, you want to scroll and select Security and Privacy. Then from here, tap on More Security Settings and then choose Secure Folder. Next, tap on Continue and then give the secure folder access to your calendar, contacts, photos and videos, music and audio, and your phone, as well as any other device admin apps. So if you want to give those necessary permissions, just tap on Continue. Then just wait for your secure folder to be created. Bear in mind that this is a Samsung feature, so in order for you to have a secure folder created on your tablet, then you need to have a Samsung account also on your tablet. So if you want to add a Samsung account, then I'll leave a video linked in the description down below so that you can go through the process of adding a Samsung account so that you can use the secure folder feature. And so once your secure folder has been created, you'll then be prompted to set a PIN, password, or pattern. So choose any of these three options and then enter it in and tap on confirm and enter it in again to confirm that specific configuration. And then you'll be prompted to allow lock reset with Samsung. With your Samsung account. So if you forget your PIN, password, or pattern, then you can always reset your secure folder using your Samsung account. So you can choose to say don't allow, or you can choose to tap on allow. It's completely up to you. And then you can also choose to enable the fingerprints option so that you can use any registered fingerprints to unlock the secure folder. If you don't want to use any registered fingerprints, you can just tap on the toggle to turn it off. And when you're happy, just tap on next, and then you'll be brought to your secure folder. So you'll have the default options that are normally added to secure folder. So this is the camera app, Samsung Internet, your contacts app, your files app, your gallery app, your calendar app, and your notes app. If you want to add more, just tap on this plus icon here, and then you can scroll through the apps list and just select apps that you wish to add to your secure folder. You can see on the side panel here the apps that I've selected. If you've accidentally tapped on one, you can just tap on this minus button like that to remove it. You can also choose to download it directly from the Google Play Store or from the Galaxy Store straight into your secure folder. Then when you're happy, you'll just tap on add and they'll be added to your secure folder. If you want to add even more items such as documents, you can just tap on this dots icon in the top right corner. And then from here, you can see add files. So you'll just tap on it, choose the file type that you wish to add, and you'll see it being added directly into your secure folder. Then when you're happy and you want to lock and exit the secure folder, just tap on the three dots, select lock and exit, and now you'll have successfully exited the secure folder. So when you navigate back to the home screen or to the apps drawer, when you see the secure folder, you can just tap on it to open it, and you can choose to use your fingerprint or your PIN, password, or pattern to unlock your secure folder and access any of the files that are there. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.